What's up, YouTube? It's been forever since I did a video. And as you can tell, definitely not at the apartment anymore. I don't know if I ever did update YouTube on that, so I don't know. But yeah, I bought a house, got married, all kinds of stuff. Hold on. Okay, so I just went and turned on some lights. I was just wanting to show you kind of around the place. So let me flip video. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Pay no attention to the mess. Same with the bedroom. Pay no attention to the mess. We did just install a half bath in here. As you can see, there's no drywall on it yet. But anyways, whoop. Kitchen. We've been here for almost a year. We're still getting shit put away. Our box collection from all the shit that just come in, because we ordered a couple thousand Magic the Gathering cards and all kinds of other shit. Anyways, it had a mirror wall, so definitely wanted to keep that, because I forget where I saw it, but I remember somebody's house had one of these as a kid, and I loved it. Entertainment setup thing, little pass through into the kitchen. I don't know. Anyways, we have a catch-all room, basement right there. This is what we call the guest room, and then in here is what we call the kids room. No, I don't have kids yet, but we might make this one the kids room. We might make this one a closet. I don't know. I mean, right now I use it as a closet. Tiny ass bathroom, and then my office. As you can see, not even close to being set up. I've got that desk mostly set up. The gaming computer's hooked up now, but the HP typically is at that desk. This desk is for the gaming computer, and I really like the faux wood paneling because it's just wood paneling. But there is actual oak floor. But yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to make a video going, hey, I'm not dead yet. But yeah. I just wanted to give you a quick house tour, because there ain't much house, but it is a tour. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you disliked it, well, that button doesn't fucking matter. And yeah, have fun. Hope life is going well for you all, because I'm happy. That's all that matters. Anyways, bye!